But I don't justify it to anyone because I don't have to. I'm not accountable to anyone. I'm not accountable to the ones who hate. I'm accountable to the ones who love. So if I'm receiving
नहीं
100
अबे पूरा अंदर चल टर्मिनल तक
वो तो 30 में दे
30 रुपए की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी।
अबे मैं फंस गया, तू तो अंदर पहुंच जाएगा, तू वापस ही रहेगा।
नहीं
मैं सीधा
पैसे नहीं क्या दूंगा।
पापा ना तो यहीं से जा फिर मैं तो छूट गई बेचो, तू तो चला गया बैठ गया फ्रेंड, मैं तो लड़ना बेटर हुआ और ये फिर हर एक घंटे 10 रुपए चढ़ाता रहेगा।
जानू मैं बोल रहा हूँ
बाबा बोल नहीं रहा हूँ
भैया देख लो वापस आ गए वहीं पे, हुडी भी सेम, जगह भी सेम, इंट्रो भी सेम। So what is up guys? I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're having a cracker of a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever day you're living. Back here in Delhi. तो इस बार ना दिल्ली आने का बहुत बड़ा एजेंडा था, ठीक है। फ्लाइट से आए, फ्लाइट वॉज शॉर्ट, बट द गुड थिंग अबाउट द फ्लाइट, एयर हॉस्टेस बहुत क्यूट थी यार, बहुत। हाँ जी, तो इस बार we're in Delhi for something really very special. Safarnama is organizing an event by the name of Kissa, wherein your boy has been invited, and the same goes for tomorrow as well. Tomorrow I'm speaking for an event in Zostel for a meetup organized by Travel Affairs. भैया देखो, इस बार दिल्ली में आने का अपना मकसद अलग था, ठीक है। हर बार दिल्ली में आ रहे थे कुछ और करने के लिए, इस बार कुछ और करने आए, तो लेट्स मेक इट प्रोडक्टिव। अभी चलते हैं, थोड़ा कुछ खा पी लेते हैं, उसके बाद चलेंगे अपना गुड़गांव। तब तक तुम भी एक काम कर दो, ज़रा थोड़ा सब्सक्राइब कर दो प्लीज़। हाँ ठीक है, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं मांग रहा, बर्थडे आसपास में रहे यार, थोड़ा प्लीज़ देखो। हाँ Yep, so special thanks to Safarnama for inviting me to this beautiful event. This was one evening to remember. Make sure y'all are checking out the link in the description for their events. Now headed to day 2 of 24 hours in Delhi.
So I am following this guy. जब इसके YouTube पे 200-300 followers थे, and he's very young. He's only 19. Props 13,000 followers हैं.
He's intimidating. Alright, so आज हम बहुत एक genuine story की बात करेंगे. I have spoken number of times on stage, but today I'll be talking about my story. Like who exactly is Paritosh Anand off the campus. So yes, my name. I travel, I create, I live. That is the passion that I've been carrying all this while. Yes, I'm 19 years old. I'm also writing a book by the name of Importance of Dreams, which is the legit persona that I've been carrying as well. Because I believe that dreams is a very important aspect of everyone's life. You know, people consider dreams to be illusions. I consider dreams to be my life. Because that's legit been driving me all this while to pursue my life, to live my life, to breathe every single second. To be grateful for what I have at this moment. And just to carry the smile all this while.
So you always carry a question along with you.
Okay, no.
I have been seeing it for around 2 to 3 months after the studio.
I'll tell you what, you know, I never treat success to be a destination. Success for me is a very beautiful process, and this is one process that each and everyone is a part of. And you know, all of us, we're in this journey wherein we define our own success. सबका ये होता है, सबका definition of success अलग-अलग होता है. And for me, and from that point and onwards, that fear helped me gain more consciousness. तो if you feel like अगर कुछ डर है, embrace your fears. Let it be a part of your own self. Hatred in what? Hatred of in what context?
Hatred.
I have made one very big ass decision in my life of withdrawing from the National Defence Academy, and people are pissed at it. People are legit pissed at it because people believe that I wasted a seat, which is not the actual case. But I don't justify it to anyone because I don't have to. I'm not accountable to anyone. I'm not accountable to the ones who hate. I'm accountable to the ones who love. So if I'm receiving 100 comments, 100 messages a day, I'll reply back to the 90 who send in their blessings, and to the ones जो 10 बाकी वाले हैं उनको करो, तुम खुश रहो. I'm happy in my life. I'm doing what I love. Like, as in the process of building your brand, your audience increases, your responsibility increases, because you grow as a leader. You know, as one of my friends said here, I don't believe in the word influencer as well, because you're just a normal human being, but you grow as a leader. And in that case, the best way to keep your mind refined is by surrounding yourself with the best people. Surround yourself with people who carry vibes which transfer as blessings to you. क्योंकि ऐसा होता है ना यार, सबकी लाइफ में सांप सबकी लाइफ में. But you need to know who are the well-wishers. You need to know who are the ones who pray for you, who are the ones who secretly believe that this guy will make it. बहुत लोग होते हैं ना, बोलेंगे कि तू करेगा, तू करेगा, तू करेगा. वो लोग पीठ पीछे जाके बोलेंगे कि नहीं करेगा. But बहुत लोग ये भी होते हैं जो अंदर ही अंदर बोलते हैं कि ये बंदा करेगा. They're the ones. Keep them in here. संभाल कर. So I'll tell you. You know, never refrain from interacting, but remember, you don't always have to be an open book to anyone. That liberty should only be restricted to the closed circle. Welcome them in. The doors are always open, but the book is not open.
Thank you so much, Parikh.
अभी वो मैं चारों में टक्कर कर देता हूँ. हेलो राघव, सुन मेरी बात. फ्लाइट हो गई मिस.
क्या हो गया?
फ्लाइट हो गई मिस.
क्या हो गया?
क्या बे, फ्लाइट हो गई है मिस.
मिस हो गया?
हाँ. क्या फिर क्या मिस हुई? पहली बार मिस हुई है भाई.
Yep, so that was the day. अपनी flight तो miss हो गई, but something very beautiful happened after that. I went to SRCC and I attended a concert by the local train. This is one of my favorite bands, and what made that evening all the more special was that I got to see it with my family. You know, this is something that I stress so much. अभी आवाज़ बहुत आएगी, बहुत noise आ रही है, because I am on my way to Delhi once again, because I am leaving for this one trip to Pushkar. इस बार अपनी होली मन रही है पुष्कर में. This is going to be one Holi that you're gonna remember for long, because इस बार का जो vlog होने वाला है ना होली का, ऐसा होगा भाई कि तुम देखोगे, तुम बोलोगे वाह लड़के क्या क्या बना दिया तूने इस बार. You know, super grateful for this opportunity, super grateful to Safarnama, super grateful to Zostel and Travel Affairs for organizing these two beautiful events, for inviting me over to New Delhi and for having me speak at their events to contribute, to express all that I have within. You know, एक बात बोलता हूँ यार, अभी ना सिर्फ 19, अभी अब तो 20 साल भैया, अब 20 साल देखो 20 साल, अभी सिर्फ 20 साल का हूँ. And I'm no one to give advice to anyone, because people in that room were legit older than me, and I am no one to give advice to anyone. Yet I believe that the message of positivity, the message of love, happiness needs to be heard. And as someone who preaches passion, as someone who preaches realism, as someone who preaches optimism, as someone who preaches happiness, I believe it is my not responsibility, not duty, but some sort of to bring it out to the people who need it. And well, I'm all the more grateful for all these opportunities that I get to express myself, my values, my, you know, all the ideas that I have within me, and for the very fact that you people accept me for who I am. Yeah, seriously, nothing greater. nothing really. So yes guys, with that being said, thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you leave a like, make sure you leave a comment as well. You know the drill. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you've not done it yet. Just make sure you're a part of this family that the world would definitely know with the Pultan one day. Abhi chillana pad raha hai yaar mujhe. Itna noise hai yaar. I will see you guys really very soon. Next time around from Pushkar, Ajmer in Rajasthan with a festival that we all call Holi. हाँ भाई, obviously है वैसे. Holi बुलाएंगे और क्या बुलाएंगे. I will see you all really very soon, and until then, you already know how it is. This message coming from a highway wherein people are watching me as they go. Smile.